Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to day 7 of Ritanya series of storytelling. And our story for the day is on a real issue. Some of us have faced that thing, some of you are still facing it. So our story is a very interesting story, but before that we will do one song. And song is based on a story, so you have to sing it along with me. And you have to think also the topic of our story for the day. Right? So we'll do the song. Let's come. आओ करे दांत में मंजन, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन. आओ करे दांत में मंजन, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन. चुक चुक आगे, चुक चुक पीछे, चुक चुक ऊपर, चुक चुक नीचे. मंजन करते कर लो कुल्ला, हा हा ही हल्ला गुल्ला, हा हा ही हल्ला गुल्ला. आओ करे दांत में मंजन, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन. चुक चुक आगे, छुक छुक पीछे, छुक छुक ऊपर, छुक छुक नीचे. मंजन करते कर लो कुल्ला, हा हा ही हल्ला गुल्ला, हा हा ही हल्ला गुल्ला. So what we did? Yeah, we brushed our teeth. Then we did gum massage and we did the kulla also. Yes. And so what do you think is the topic of our story today? Oral hygiene. What are you saying? Think about it. Think about it. Okay, let's figure out the topic of our today's story. Yes, come on, you can think about the topic. What do you think is the topic of our story today? Dun, 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 dun. Yes. So, our story is about Leela's loose tooth. This story is written by Mamta Naini and pictures are drawn by Habib Ali. And this story is about Leela. Can you see Leela? Where's Leela? And what happened to Leela? Leela has a loose tooth. आपका भी किसी का हिल रहा है क्या दांत? लीला का तो दांत हिल रहा है. But what do you think is going to happen with Leela now? Have you heard a story on loose tooth before? I have not heard. I would like to know what happens in the story. All the children in Leela's class had started losing their baby teeth. All except Leela. देखो तो, इसका भी दांत टूट गया. दो दांत टूट गए. ओ, इसका भी एक दांत टूट गया. Look here. ओहो, बहुत सारे दांत टूट गए. But लीला, सब लोग इतने खुश हैं. लीला उदास क्यों है? Why is Leela sad? And they all had big stories to tell. When Rima's first baby tooth fell out, she buried it in the ground for the mouse to take. Raja kept it under his pillow for the tooth fairy. who gave him a shiny coin. Look at the tooth fairy coming. And look at Raja sleeping. And Ramona threw her tooth onto the roof of her house for the sparrow to bring her a new one. See? When will my tooth start shaking, Amma? Leela asked her mother every day. It will happen, Leela, suddenly one day. Wait and see, Amma would say. And then one fine morning, when Leela was brushing her teeth, one of them started wobbling suddenly. What Leela was doing? Leela was singing, आओ करें दांत में मंजन, छिक छिक छिक, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन, छुक छुक छुक, छुक छुक आगे, छुक छुक पीछे, छुक छुक ऊपर, छुक छुक नीचे. और अचानक से क्या हुआ? Yes, her teeth, one of them, started wobbling. She ran to her mother. Look, Amma! Amma looked at Leela's loose tooth. Won't be long before it falls out, she said. In school, Leela just couldn't leave her wobbly tooth alone. She wiggled it, she jiggled it, she moved it back and forth with her tongue. And she wiggled it some more. Do you also do when you have a loose tooth? Do you also play with it? You wiggle it, you jiggle it, you move it back, you move it forth with your tongue. Do you do it? आप सब भी अपनी जीभ के साथ में जो दांत हिलता है उसके साथ में खेलते हो? Look at Leela playing. Soon it would be out, she thought. She would bury it in the ground like Reema, or keep it under her pillow like Raja, or throw it onto the roof like Ramona, or maybe she would ask Amma what to do with it. What you do when your tooth falls out? आप क्या करते हो जब आपका दांत गिर जाता है? रीमा ने क्या किया था? उसको जमीन के अंदर गाड़ दिया था. एंड राजा ने क्या किया था? उसको पिलो के नीचे रखा था ताकि टूथ फेरी आए और उसके दांत को लेके जाए. और रमोना ने उसे ऊपर फेंका था ताकि पंछी उसको लेकर जाए. आप क्या करते हो? बताओ. When she came back from school, she ran straight to the room where Amma was feeding her baby brother Kannan. Look, Amma, it's shaking more and more. Leela was about to open her mouth to show Amma her wobbly tooth when suddenly, achoo! Leela sneezed. Pop! Out came Leela's wobbly tooth and fell down. Dum! क्या हुआ? लीला का दांत टूट गया. She looked to her right, she looked to her left, over the table and under the bed. Leela just couldn't find her tooth. Look at Leela looking for her tooth. Oops, what will happen now? रमोना ने उसको फेंका था, अब लीला क्या करेगी? उसको तो दांत मिल ही नहीं रहा। It's gone, Amma! Leela began to cry. Oh, I know where your tooth is, Amma suddenly said. Where? Asked Leela. Here, see? Come, see? Said Amma. She opened Kannan's tiny mouth to show Leela a tiny little tooth that was growing inside. And Leela's Amma saw two big smiles. One with a new tooth and one with a missing tooth. Can you show me which one is the missing tooth smile? Yes, that's Leela's smile. Leela का एक दांत टूट गया. And the one with the new tooth smile? Yes, Leela's little brother Kannan. आओ करे दांत में मंजन, चिक चिक चिक, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन, चिक चिक चिक। अच्छा, आप लोग कितने लोग सोच पाए थे कि ये कहानी दांत के बारे में होगी? अच्छा, आपने क्या क्या सोचा था ये कहानी किसके बारे में होगी? सोचो। हाँ, ये कहानी लीला के लूज टूथ के बारे में थी। अब हम इस पे एक आर्ट एक्टिविटी करेंगे. वी विल डू वन आर्ट एक्टिविटी ऑन दिस स्टोरी. So in our today's activity, we are going to make envelope using the sheet. So for this, we will need one sheet, tape, and color pen. If you don't have color pen, you can use crayons and sketch colors. And this envelope can be used to keep your loose tooth. So if fairy comes to your house and if you have a loose tooth, you can keep inside this envelope. And you can also use this envelope to keep anything, your colors, your pencils, your eraser, anything, whatever you like to keep it in. So in order to make this envelope, we'll first keep it like this, then take these two ends and join them. Press it gently to make a crease. Now keep it like this so that the pointed part is facing towards you. So you take this pointed edge and bring it here such that you get a straight line here, and you need a crease here. So no need to make a crease all over the paper, just press it here to make a crease. Now you can again open it and turn it. So now this you have a base here. Lift one of the flap and you can see the crease here. So lift one of the flap and put a crease on the other side. Similarly, lift another flap, bring it to the edge and press it gently to make another crease. So now you have these two flaps. So this you can either do it like this, so it becomes our envelope to keep our loose tooth or any other thing, or you can keep your loose tooth or any other thing and cover it like this. So what I'm going to do, I'll cover this side with the sellotape so that it doesn't move, it stays stable. You can use Fevicol also. And this side is covered, so either you can cover it like this and give a letter to someone, keep your loose tooth inside it, or keep your belongings inside it. And you can keep it open also like this. I'm going to decorate it little bit, so I'm going to draw whatever it's coming to my mind right now. You can use different things to decorate it. I'm decorating it with flowers, and I'm using color pen for this. You can use crayons also. We will draw things on other side also. So I've just decorated it. So our envelope is ready. आओ करें दांत में मंजन, जैसे चले गाड़ी का इंजन. Enjoy the story and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you are updated whenever I am doing storytelling for you. And thank you so much for watching the video.